Is your go-to summer meal secretly draining your energy instead of fueling it? What if I told you your body is begging you to eat differently in the heat? In this episode, we'll explore how to eat smart this summer to keep your body cool, energized, hydrated, and healthy. Welcome to the Sparkling Life Coach Podcast. Hey, Sparkling One. I'm your host, Dee Diaz, an integrative nutrition health coach. And today, let's talk summer. Picture this: sunshine, sandals, longer days, and that feeling of just wanting to feel light and fresh, right? But let me ask you something. Do you ever feel heavy, tired, or a little sluggish, even though it's such a beautiful season? If you do, you're not alone. Summer can be sparkling, but it can also be draining if we don't treat our body with the tender, loving care it needs. As temperatures rise, many people struggle with dehydration and fatigue, often leading to poor food choices and energy crashes. So, we're going to discuss the importance of hydration. We're going to highlight refreshing foods and share tips on meal planning for hot weather. Now, tell me, has this ever happened to you? Have you ever been to, let's say, a community picnic, sipping on lemonade, chatting with friends? But after about 30 minutes, you feel like someone unplugged your batteries? Perhaps you felt dizzy, tired, and maybe even a little cranky. Well, it turns out you were probably dehydrated or you hadn't eaten properly for the weather. What happens sometimes is that we continue to treat our body like it's still winter, eating heavy meals, skipping water for coffee, and not listening to the season. If that's the case, then let this be your wake-up call. Today's episode is all about how to nourish your body with light, hydrating meals that'll help you sparkle in the summer sun. Let's start with why summer nutrition is different. In the warmer months, our bodies naturally want foods that are cooling and hydrating. We sweat more, which means we lose more water, electrolytes, and even important nutrients like potassium and magnesium. But here's what most people don't realize. Dehydration doesn't just mean you're thirsty. It can show up as fatigue, brain fog, headaches, or even mood swings. According to the CDC, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, up to 75% of Americans may be chronically dehydrated. That's 3 out of every 4 people. And the foods we eat matter just as much. Heavier, greasy, or salty meals can make us feel weighed down and bloated in the heat. So I'm going to encourage you to start playing around with light, hydrating meals. Instead of pancakes and bacon, perhaps start your morning with a smoothie made from watermelon, cucumber, and a touch of mint. It'll be like drinking a glass of sunshine. At lunchtime, maybe have a big, beautiful salad loaded with greens, berries, avocado, and grilled chicken. For dinner, how about something simple like zucchini noodles tossed with olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs? Not only will you feel better, more energized, clear headed, and just happier, but you may also notice your digestion improves, your skin may glow, and you may notice there's no midday crash anymore. And guess what? It's not hard to do. Let's talk hydration first because honestly, water is queen. So I'm going to give you 5 hydration tips of what to drink and eat for summer energy. Hydration tip number one, start your day with a tall glass of lemon water. It wakes up your digestive system and it gives you a dose of vitamin C. In my case, I love to use a few drops of lemon essential oil in my water at the beginning of the day. Hydration tip number two, eat your water. Yes, that is a thing. Fruits like cucumbers, watermelon, strawberries, and lettuce are over 90% water. So snack smart and stay hydrated. Tip number three, add a pinch of sea salt to your water or use coconut water after a sweaty day. This replenishes your electrolytes without sugary sports drinks. Hydration tip number four, carry a water bottle that makes you happy. Seriously, if you love how it looks or feels, you're going to drink more from it. And hey, if plain water bores you, try infused water. Add slices of orange, mint, or frozen berries. It's like spa water at home. And because water alone isn't enough, my favorite tip is tip number five. I like to supplement with MetaPower Recharge electrolyte drink mix. MetaPower Recharge provides an exclusive blend of electrolytes involved in cellular hydration with a blend of ingredients that helps water work more effectively with your cells to improve cellular hydration. It facilitates water transport between the cells and it provides a balanced ratio of six electrolytes, in addition to over 80 deep ocean minerals. It's also free from GMOs, gluten, dairy, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. If you'd like to learn more about the MetaPower Recharge electrolyte drink mix and how to protect yourself from the dangers of dehydration, make sure to check out episode 30 of the podcast. And if you'd like to try the Recharge electrolyte drink mix, I'll make sure to leave the link in the show notes. Now, let's get into light eating or meals that fuel you without dragging you down. For example, a good breakfast idea might be a chia pudding made with almond milk, chia seeds, and a little maple syrup topped with fresh mango. It's hydrating, rich in omega 3s, and it keeps you full without the heaviness. For lunch, think big bowl salads. You can add quinoa for protein, leafy greens, juicy fruits like blueberries, and a drizzle of olive oil with apple cider vinegar. And for dinner, you can try cold soups like gazpacho or chilled cucumber avocado soup. These are packed with nutrients and perfect for hot nights. And if you're looking for a snack idea, how about rice paper rolls filled with veggies and tofu dipped in peanut sauce? These are crunchy, refreshing, and satisfying. And remember, listen to your body. You might find yourself craving lighter meals naturally. That's your body being wise. Now, I've got a little gift for you. If today's episode got your mouth watering and your mind spinning with light summer meal ideas, I've put together a free downloadable guide just for you. It's called Sparkle and Nourish Light and Hydrating Recipes for Summer. And it includes some of the exact recipes I talked about today, like my watermelon mint smoothie, the chia mango pudding, and even a refreshing cucumber avocado soup. These are simple, fresh, and totally doable recipes that will help you stay energized, hydrated, and glowing all summer long. Just check the link in the show notes. Seriously, don't miss it. It's your little dose of sunshine on a plate. So tell us, which recipe will you try first from the free guide? A smoothie, a salad, or a soup? Let us know. Now let's hit a few summer nutrition frequently asked questions that I get all the time. First one is it bad to skip meals when it's hot? Well, not necessarily. In summer, our appetite can dip, and that's okay. But don't skip out on hydration. Small, frequent meals can help. And of course, as always, I'm going to encourage you to supplement with a 2-minute health boost powered by our incredible supplements, VMG Plus for essential vitamins, minerals, and greens, E Omega Plus for heart and brain health, and PB Restore for gut health. If you'd like to learn more, I'll leave the link in the show notes.
Are you tired of trying to make healthy changes only to end up back where you started? It's frustrating, isn't it? Here's the truth. You're not the problem. You just haven't had the right system. Introducing the 4-week WIN program, your step-by-step plan to build lasting habits and take control of your health. Start each day with our 2-minute health boost, a powerful combination of supplements and routines that fuel your body and mind. By the end of 4 weeks, you'll feel more energized, focused, and in control. Are you ready to win the morning, win the day, win your life? Visit the link in the show notes to get started on the 4-week WIN program today.
Another question I get asked a lot is, can I drink iced coffee instead of water? I hear you. I'm a coffee lover too. And iced coffee is a beloved drink of many of my clients, especially in the hot summer months. But here's the thing, coffee can be dehydrating. So I'm not saying not to have your coffee, but if you do, try to match every cup of coffee with a glass of water. Another question that's often asked is, what's one thing I can do today to feel better in the heat? As this episode highlighted, I'm going to encourage you to add a hydrating food to your next meal. Even a handful of grapes or a slice of melon can make all the difference. Here's the bottom line. Summer is a time for lightness, joy, and nourishment. When we eat in alignment with the season by choosing water-rich foods, simple meals, and bright, colorful ingredients, we feel it. We shine and we sparkle. You don't have to overhaul your life. Just start with one new habit. Drink that lemon water. Try a chilled soup. Pack a fruit salad. Your body will thank you and your energy will soar. So, Sparkling One, I hope this episode has inspired you to try something fresh and nourishing this summer. And I'd love to hear from you. Do you change your diet with the season? Give us some ideas. Tell us what's on your menu this summer. If you're watching this on YouTube, leave us a comment or leave us an audio message at foundless.com/sparklinglifecoach, or you can email us at podcast@sparklinglifecoach.com. If this information was helpful to you, if we've helped you think about your holistic health and wellness differently, don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with someone who needs a little sunshine in their nutrition and with those who are also looking to improve their health and wellness holistically. And keep glowing, stay hydrated, sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Hey Sparkle Squad, are you loving the Sparkling Life Coach podcast? Has the podcast ever inspired you, made you smile, or brought a little sparkle to your day? If so, we'd love your support. To keep this passion project shining, you can help by subscribing, sharing with a friend, or, if you're able, clicking the link in the show notes to become a patron. Every little bit helps us spread positivity, holistic wellness, and vitality far and wide. By supporting the podcast, you're not just fueling our efforts, you're joining our mission to uplift, empower, and inspire others to live their best lives. Your generosity creates a ripple effect helping us sprinkle a little sparkle on everyone who listens. Thank you for being an essential part of this vibrant community.
I want to send the warmest, sparkliest thank you to Elaine Chevalier for your generous donation to the Sparkling Life Coach podcast. You, my sparkling one, are officially the very first sparkling sponsor. Your generosity and belief in this mission means more to me than you could ever know. I'm truly honored to have you on this journey. Sparkle on.